Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious spring rolls from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the filling for our spring rolls. You can use any vegetables and protein of your choice. In this recipe, I'll be using carrots, cabbage, lettuce, cooked sausage, and fried eggs. Start by chopping your vegetables and place them in a tray. Boil some water in a pan over medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil. Then add rice noodle and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. After the noodles are done, set aside to cool. Now it's time to roll our spring rolls. Start by wetting a rice paper wrapper with water until it's pliable. Then, in the center of the wrapper, leaving some space on the sides, fold the sides and roll the wrapper tightly around the filling. Repeat until you have used up all your filling. Frying the spring rolls is optional. We like it fresh, therefore, for this video, we will leave it as is. Your homemade spring rolls are now ready to serve. You can enjoy them with your favorite dipping sauce, like sweet chili sauce, hoisin sauce, or peanut sauce. They make a perfect appetizer or a light meal. Thank you for watching my spring roll tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Making spring rolls at home is not only fun, but it's also a great way to enjoy a healthy, delicious snack. Please subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one!